So standing, feet hip width apart, knees relaxed, hips in line, shoulders back and down. So imagine that string up towards the sky, chin parallel to the ground. One hand on the chest, one just below the ribs. Breathing in and out through the nose, aiming that in-breath to the lower hand. So bring the right arm up, we'll inhale, exhale, lean into the left. Swap the arms over, inhale, exhale, lean to the right. So again, make sure we come center. We inhale, exhale over, and swap. Inhale, and exhale, and swap again. Inhale, lengthen up, exhale over, and swap. Inhale, and exhale, and coming back. So taking the feet a little bit wider than hip width, bending the knees. So we're going to imagine we're keeping still from the ribs down. So fingertips to the back of the head, and just trying to twist into that thoracic area, just around the ribs. And then we'll come down to the waist. But hips remaining still. Twist through the hips, the knees, and the ankles. And bringing the arms down and just swing gently from side to side. So bending the knees again, we're going to do the hip rolls. So imagine you're using a hula hoop, but also tilting the pelvis backwards and forwards. And we'll go around the other way. Swap again. And one more. Okay, so we're going to work on the rotator cuffs and across the shoulders. So have one palm facing up, the other facing down, and then swap. So we're twisting through the shoulders. Trying to keep the arms straight, lengthening all the way to the fingertips. And bending the elbows so forearms are vertical. Keep the shoulders down and relaxed. And we're just turning the forearms down. Just wherever you get to. Just concentrate on the movement rather than lifting the shoulders. Now just hanging over, and we'll make a circle with the arms. The shoulders nice and relaxed. It's the weight of the arms bring the body down, and then circle the other way. But if this doesn't feel comfortable, then just stand and wait. And coming on up. So we're going to work on Warrior 3, balance pose. So standing on that right leg. We'll inhale, bring the body forwards and lifting that left leg. We're just gradually working on this. We'll do one each side. Try and lift that leg to hip height if you can. Straightening the legs. Now if you feel balanced, you can always bring the arms forward, palms together, fingers pointing forwards. But remember, just wherever you get to. And we'll do the other side. So standing on the left, we'll be lifting the right leg. We'll inhale first. Exhale, come forward. So just gradually work into the pose. We get the balance, and then start trying to lift the leg, trying to straighten. And if you can, bring the arms forwards. Here and now. So we're going to do the high lunge. So we're bending that left knee, right leg is back, we're straight, shoulders above the hips. Now we're going to add the twist. So arms out, shoulder level. And inhale, exhale, twist towards that bent knee. Just exhale on the twist. Inhale back to center. Exhale. Inhale back. Exhale. Inhale. One more. Exhale. Inhale back. Bring the hands back to the chest and bring that back leg forward. So swapping over. So make sure the toes are facing forwards. That back heel is up. Front knee is pointing in the same direction as the toes. You get steady there, and when you're ready, arms shoulder level. We'll inhale, exhale, twist. Inhale, center, exhale, twist. Inhale, center, exhale, twist. Inhale, and exhale. Inhale back, exhale. And inhale. Hands to the chest, sweep that back leg forward, and then we'll finish off with a good posture and the breathing. So crown to the sky, chin parallel to the ground, one hand on the chest, one just below the ribs. Trying to feel the heartbeat with the upper hand, trying to slow the breathing down, and just notice if the body relaxes. And bring the arms down, and we're all done.